because a lot of people love chicken, right? And especially when it comes to like fried chicken, chicken wings, chicken sandwiches, everyone loves chicken. Not everyone, but a lot of people love chicken. So what makes your place, the Red Chickz, stand out compared to other chicken places?
So I mean, everyone knows today Los Angeles is very saturated when it comes to hot chicken, especially. We pride ourselves to make this place like a home for everyone. We've been here downtown for about 5-6 years now going on. We know everyone in the community. We love everyone here. We see everyone every single day.
As far as like the taste of the chicken, I noticed that there's a sauce that you guys use, and you guys call it the comeback sauce. So are you allowed to like tell me what's in that sauce?
Yeah, absolutely. So we make it from scratch. We start with a homemade mayo. We add a seasoning that we use in our spark level, just a little bit so it doesn't get too spicy. We add a little bit of lemon juice, and then there's about 2-3 ingredients I can't tell you what we add in there. Otherwise, I'll give you the whole recipe. We're still working on a lot of fun stuff to put on the menu. It'll be coming out very soon. We got to taste it. We can't throw everything on at once.
We're kind of overwhelm everyone with the goodness. So what made you like decide to do Nashville chicken?
So between my partners and I, they're very big fried chicken lovers.
Yeah.
They actually went out to Nashville for about a week as they were traveling, and they fell in love with the concept of hot chicken. And one of our partners is a chef, so this is what he does for a living. I know a lot of people say everyone's opening up hot chicken right now, but again, what we really pride ourselves in is making it different, making this feel like a home, making this feel like someone you can come here, chill, hang out, talk to us.
Take a look at this. This is a chicken taco, and they have Taco Tuesdays. You can get them for $5 or $6. They also have shrimp, and this just looks so amazing with their special sauce, their comeback sauce. So the verdict?